80. Hourglass shattered. Something dark and depraved has ripped my heart from my chest. In one fatal sweep, it desecrated my chest cavity and ravaged the essence of my soul. In horror, I watch the blood of my spirit seep into the sands of utter annihilation. Desperate to escape, my life fire detonates. I bellow like a savage animal. Sis, you need to brace yourself. I have terrible news about Gurik. Esther Marie just called me to say he committed suicide. He hanged himself in a tree. I'm so sorry, my sis. I wish I could take this bitter cup from you, but unfortunately it happened. The vile darkness torments me, mauls me with flashes of memory, lacerated from my heart's sanctuary, yet I possess no heart. It has been pulverized, obliterated. One devastating strike, disemboweled. My soul's entrails dislodged. A ferocious fiend unleashed. My life force succumbs. Numbness infiltrates its venom, gouges into the abyss of despair. It's too much. I cannot bear. I release a mournful wail, oblivious to my own torment.